Today I'm going to show you how to skip questions in SurveyMonkey step by step so you can build smarter surveys that adapt based on your respondents' answers. This is really useful when you want to create a better survey experience, reduce drop-offs, and make sure people only see the questions that actually matter to them. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, click on your survey to open it. This will take you into the editor where you can start setting up skip logic. Now find the question you want to use as the trigger. Hover over that question and then click on logic. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you control what happens next based on the answer someone selects. Logic is the feature that makes skip questions possible, so this is the key step in the process. After you click logic, you'll see options for where the respondent should go next. Click on choose page. This lets you define what page or question the respondent should skip to after answering. In a survey with multiple pages, this is especially helpful because you can send people directly to a more relevant section and avoid unnecessary questions. From there, select the destination you want. Depending on how your survey is structured, you may choose another page, a different question, or the end of the survey. The goal here is to create a path that makes sense for each answer choice. For example, if someone answers no to a question, you might want them to skip a section that only applies to yes responses. Once you choose the destination, SurveyMonkey may prompt you to upgrade your plan. That's important to note because some skip logic features are only available on certain paid plans. If you see the upgrade message, that means the feature you're trying to use may not be available on your current account level. In that case, you'll need to decide whether to upgrade or adjust your survey setup based on the tools included in your plan. After that, review your logic carefully to make sure the skip path is correct. This is one of the most important parts, because even a small mistake can send respondents to the wrong question or cause them to miss important sections. Always test your survey before you send it out. Go through it as if you were a participant and confirm that each answer leads to the correct next page. If everything looks good, save your changes and continue building your survey. You can repeat the same process on other questions if you want to create multiple skip paths throughout the form. This is a great way to make your survey feel more professional, more personalized, and much easier for people to complete. And that's it. You now know how to skip questions in SurveyMonkey using logic. It's a simple feature, but when you use it correctly, it can make a huge difference in the quality of your responses and the overall experience for your audience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.